are watching Educational Hub. In today's video, we are going to tackle about the Filipino traits and characteristics. As we all know, every country have different history, culture, tradition, traits, and characteristics that distinguishes them from one another. And we Filipinos are no exception from this, ranging from our colorful traditions, unique culture, and history. We also develop our own traits and characteristics that separates us from other people. Although these traits and characteristics make us a certified Filipino, not all are in good light. And so, without further ado, here are some of those positive traits and negative traits of a Filipino.
First, let us tackle the positive traits of the Filipino people. And the number one on our list is faith in God. Although the Philippines may have different religions in different sectors of the country, what is consistent is that we all have one strong form of faith. Because of this, the Philippines is known as the only Christian nation in Asia and also known to be as one of the most religious country in the world. It is for the reason that the Filipino people believe in the power of God who created the heaven and the earth, the God who brought life and salvation into mankind. Another positive trait of the Filipino people is valuing close family ties. Family is the greatest asset among the Filipinos. It is the wealth they can never exchange to anything else, including money. Basically, they are at all times emotionally attached to their families, even after marriage and separation from their parents. That is why we Filipinos prefer our family close by, because we love and enjoy the feeling of having and knowing family members are around us. This includes our cousins, aunts, uncles, and grandparents. Some families even share their homes with the extended family members, celebrate holidays, and lend a hand to relatives when it is needed. That is how much Filipino people values close family ties. The third on the list of positive traits is hospitality. When we have people visit our homes, we always welcome them with smiles, conversation, and food. To Filipinos, being hospitable is giving more than your best to make any guest feel at home as much as possible. Filipino hospitality is hospitality not only to Filipinos but to everyone, including non-Filipinos, because Filipino hospitality has no borders or boundaries. Therefore, any visitors, Filipinos or non-Filipinos, no matter the race nor nationality, are always welcome with open arms here in the Philippines. The next positive trait of the Filipino people is obedient and respectful. In our culture, we always show respect and obey our parents and elders. It is because respect for one's elders is traditional in the Philippines. Filipinos customarily greets the elders with a gesture called mano po, taking the older relative's hand and placing it on his or her forehead to express profound respect for the elder. Another way of showing respect to elders is speaking politely using the words po and opo. And lastly, trusting the elders' advices and obeying them is what is mostly done by the children and young adults here in the Philippines. The fifth positive trait of the Filipino people is that they have a strong work ethic. Filipino people are very creative and hardworking people. Hardworking to the point that they are willing to work almost the whole day just to feed their families. And that's how Filipinos are. One example of a hardworking person is a farmer. They still work very hard but earn little compensation. The next positive traits of the Filipino people is that they are cheerful. Filipinos are known for their ability to smile through their troubles and to find something to laugh about even in trying times. If there's one trait that the Filipinos are known for, aside from being hospitable, it's our ability to be happy and stay positive no matter the circumstances. And that's why Filipinos have learned not to be depressed. Our seventh positive trait of the Filipino people is that they are loving and caring. And this is so true. Filipinos are the sweetest and most loving people in the world. I'm not just saying this because I'm a Filipino, but if you know us well, you will soon figure this out. Filipino men are so sweet and romantic when it comes to love. They will send their partner flowers, bring her to a very romantic place, text her sweet quotes, and tell often how special she is to them. While Filipino women are also romantic and very caring, which often makes foreigners want to marry them. They are loving and value the relationship, always staying faithful to their husband. They love deeply and sincerely. And now, we will tackle about the negative traits of the Filipino people. And number one on our list is the mañana habit. Sometimes, Filipinos would like to put off doing things until it is too late. They always think that there is still tomorrow to do the work. The second negative traits of the Filipino people is the crab mentality. Filipinos sometimes get jealous of other people's success that they find a way to pull the other person down rather than striving to be better. The third negative traits of the Filipino people is that they lack discipline. Pollution, traffic rules, and following the laws are things Filipinos tend to ignore. We like to sell our wares on the streets, beat the red light, and throw our garbage in the wrong places. In short, Filipinos like doing what they want no matter what the consequences are. The fourth negative traits of the Filipino people is the sore loser's attitude. Many times, Filipinos become and hate losing. At times, when we lose, we find a way to get even. The fifth negative traits of the Filipino people is the ningas kogon. This is when Filipinos' interest and enthusiasm easily fades away, and because of this, we finish or reach any long-term goals. The next negative traits of the Filipino people is called the bahala na attitude. When helpless, we tend not to act to solve our problems. We usually don't plan ahead or plan for contingencies. Instead of covering all our bases, we simply let will happen. The last negative traits of the Filipino people is the colonial mentality. This is when Filipinos think that products from other countries are always best of quality. So if something is made in America or of a foreign brand, we think it is of greater quality. So we buy foreign products more than we would buy locally made products.
I hope that this has been another good source of information for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below and leave a comment. Have a great day.